Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. So as you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing a Birchbox unboxing. So I'll preface this by saying that I entered a coupon code when I wanted to restart my Birchbox subscription. It was like you get a free mystery box. So that's what we're doing today. This is the free mystery box. I don't know if it's like the same throughout the year or same for however long you use the coupon code, but this is what I got. We're going to unbox it. We're going to see what it's about. So the first thing in the box this month is from Comfort Zone. It is their Essential Face Wash. A full size of this product does retail for $32. I've never heard of this brand, and that is one thing that Birchbox is really good for. They are good for putting you on to indie brands. And I always say this, that indie brands might do what you need them to do, as opposed to really popular big brands who, you know, you invest in the name, you pay for the name, people say that it's quality. However, I have super sensitive skin, so I found that a lot of indie brands work better for my skin than popular brands, because popular brands aren't going to like tailor them to niche, like super duper sensitive skin. If that makes sense to you guys. So this is their Essential Face Wash. It is a gentle foaming cleanser, and this is a half fluid ounce. And the description just says that this is a creamy foaming cleanser enriched with a natural osmolite to remove makeup and skin impurities whilst respecting the skin balance. Skin looks luminous and soft to the touch. Recommended for normal or combination skin. Next, we have this waterproof eyeliner from Lise Wadier, and it does say on the information card that this is new to Birchbox. A full size of this product would retail for $24. So you guys can see that is, I first thought, because of the tube, I thought that it was a brown color, but it's really like a burgundy plum color. And it claims that this deep purple hue flatters every eye color. I have like poop brown eyes, so we'll see. I mean, I think you can't really go wrong with it. Will it bring out the purple on my hand? You can really see it. It does look pretty on my hand. However, we'll see. Next, we have this product from Living Proof. This is their Perfect Hair Day PhD 5-in-1 styling treatment. Full size of this product would retail for $28. This is a styling product, and it says to apply to damp hair, blow dry. So right there, I don't blow dry my hair. I have naturally curly hair. I have very kinky hair. So yeah, I don't see myself using this. This is probably be passed on as a gift to somebody else, but I would imagine that this is intended to be used with, you put it on your hair, you blow dry it out, and then you continue on with your day. However, more styling has to take place. I can't just simply stop right there with the styling of my hair. And again, I don't blow dry my hair and just wear it out. Next up from Model Co, we have this lip plumper. It is a Hydra Lip Therapy. This is a trial size, and a full size of this product would retail for $25. This is supposed to be a clear plumping lip gloss. If you guys have watched my videos for any amount of time, you guys know that I don't like lip glosses. I just don't like that tacky feeling on my lips. I'd rather, you know, prefer some kind of chapstick over lip gloss. I just don't feel like they're moisturized. Like I like to feel like my lips are moisturized. Lip gloss, I just feel like it sits on my lips and it's shiny and attracts too much attention to that region of my face. Also, I already have naturally full lips, so I don't need to use a lip plumper. I've used them before. It feels like bee stings. It feels like a allergic reaction is happening on my lips. I just don't like that feeling. Next, we have the sheet mask from Pure Lease. This is their Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask, and a full size, so this would be a full size product, would be $18, which is a bit pricey, and I would imagine that it was a box of multiple of these would be $18. And I did get to try out their new makeup remover wipes when I went to Ipsy Live, their content creator event. I got to try out their wipes. They smelled really, really good, the new watermelon wipes, and they also showed us other products from this line. So I'm very interested to see how my skin reacts to this. I've used Pure Lease products in the past, and my skin really does like them. They're very sensitive, skin friendly. And this is their Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. It says that watermelon hydrates, aloe vera reduces redness. I don't have an issue with redness. And then cucumber refreshes. So overall, this is supposed to be a soothing sheet mask. You're supposed to wear it for 15 to 20 minutes, and it's just, you know, supposed to be a quick pick me up and perk your skin back up. And it does say that this is for all skin types, normal and oily. And then finally from Wish, we have this rice milk and rose hand remedy. A full-size product would retail for $22. And it says it's time to treat your hands the way that you treat your face. This is an intensely moisturizing rose scented cream. It's supposed to reduce fine lines and make you appear as though you have younger hands. I've always heard that you can tell somebody's age by their hands. And I always look at my hands and like, I mean, I think that my hands look very youthful. I mean, I have long fingers, but you can. I've looked at people's hands and I was like, oh, they have a very young face, but then you see their hands, you're like, whoa. So it's supposed to be like anti-aging, but for your hands. There really is a market for anything. So it reminds me of like Avon cream, and it just feels, it's not thick, it's not watery. It leaves like, I was about to say aftertaste. It leaves kind of a residue. It's not like an oily residue, but it does leave a kind of residue on your hands. And the rose scent isn't too strong, so I like that. It's not overpowering. It doesn't smell like old lady perfume. It's just enough. It almost smells like a baby. It smells very good, actually. I'm gonna put this in my car and keep this for work or for clinicals. So yeah, that is everything for this mystery Birchbox. I have to say, I don't feel any type of, like, I'm not super excited about it, but I'm also not disappointed about it. Out of the 6 different brands and products mentioned in this box, I've only heard of 2 of them. So again, going back to Birchbox, really putting you onto those indie brands and encouraging you to branch out and explore and give the little guys, so to speak, a chance. So that is everything that I have for you guys. I'll make sure that I include everything that was in this box down in the description box below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, want to see any type of videos, definitely leave them down in the comments and I'll get back to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye.